Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fluent English Plus, your go-to channel for mastering English in smart, practical ways to become fluent in English. In today's video, we're diving deep into a topic that every English learner must deal with: how to learn vocabulary effectively. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, vocabulary is the foundation of your English fluency. If you've ever said, "I keep forgetting words," or "I don't know how to remember new vocabulary," then this video is for you. Get your notebook ready, because we're going to cover why vocabulary matters so much, how to learn it efficiently, and we'll practice together with live examples and mini challenges. Let's get started. Let's start with the big question. Why is vocabulary so important? 1. Vocabulary is the base of all communication. Imagine trying to speak without words. Impossible, right? Vocabulary allows you to express your ideas, understand others, communicate effectively in any situation. Example: if you don't know the word appointment, you won't understand, "I have a dentist appointment at 3 p.m. 2. Vocabulary makes you sound smarter and more fluent. Using a wider range of vocabulary makes your English richer and more natural. Example: instead of always saying "very happy," you could use delighted, ecstatic, or overjoyed. 3. Vocabulary improves all four language skills: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. They all require vocabulary. When your vocabulary improves, your overall English improves. 4. Without vocabulary, grammar is useless. You can know all the grammar rules, but if you don't know the words, you still can't speak. Mini activity, 2 minutes. Take a word you recently learned. Try to explain it without using translation. Write it down and try to use it in 3 different sentences. Let me go first. Word: serendipity. Explanation: it's when something unexpectedly good or lucky happens, often by chance, and it's something that wasn't planned or sought after. Sentences: finding my old friend in a random cafe was pure serendipity. I wasn't looking for a job, but getting this amazing opportunity felt like serendipity. Sometimes, the best moments in life happen through serendipity, not through careful planning. Give it a try. The results will be surprising. If you encounter any difficulty, feel free to comment below so we can figure it out together. Before we get into methods, let's clear up some mistakes. Memorizing long word lists with no context. Not reviewing words regularly. Learning words you never use. Not using the new words actively. Many learners say, "I know this word when I see it, but I can't use it." That's because of passive versus active vocabulary. Our goal: make your vocabulary active. Mini challenge: take 3 passive words you know, words you understand but rarely use. Try to write a short paragraph using them. This time you do it first. Now for the most important part: how to learn vocabulary in a way that really works. Method 1. Learn vocabulary in context. Don't learn individual words. Learn phrases and sentences. This helps your brain remember when and how to use the word. Example: Word, learn. Sentence, I want to learn how to play the guitar. Word, improve. Present sentence, I improve my skills every day. Past sentence, she improved her English after practicing every day. Question, how can I improve my writing? Method 2, use spaced repetition. Review vocabulary in intervals after 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, etc. Use apps like Anki or Quizlet. Method 3, use visuals and audio. Add pictures, icons, or draw what the word reminds you of. Listen to native speakers saying the word. Method 4, personal connection. Link the word to your own life or experiences. Example, word, frustrated. I felt frustrated yesterday when my internet stopped working. Method 5, write and speak the words. Write short journal entries or dialogues with new vocabulary. Speak to yourself in English using the new words. Mini challenge. Describe your daily routine using at least 5 of today's new words. Go ahead and do it now. Method 6. Use fun tools, games, stories. Wordle, crosswords, flashcard games. Watch shows and guess meanings from subtitles. You can also watch with English subtitles first, then without them. Pause and note down any new words. Now, let's play a small game to review the vocabulary we've learned, practice reflexes, and apply creativity. Let's go. Rules. I'll give you a sentence with a missing word and a small clue. Your job is to pause the video, guess the word, and say it out loud. Ready? Sentence. If you really want something and work hard to achieve it, you are. Clue. It starts with A, and it means someone who dreams big and takes action. The word is ambitious. It means having a strong desire for success. Example, she's very ambitious. She wants to become a doctor before she turns 25. Okay, one more time. Sentence, don't to ask for help when you need it. Clue, starts with H. It means to pause because you're unsure. The word is hesitate. Example, he hesitated before answering the question. Now, let's move on to the next game. Activate vocabulary and use it in your own context. Use the word priority in a sentence. You can pause the video and have 20 seconds to think and speak it out loud. Ready? Here's my sentence. My health is my top priority. What's yours? Write it in the comments. Next word, delighted. This means very happy. Your turn. My sentence. I was delighted when I passed my speaking test. Last one, frustrated. Think of a real-life situation that made you feel frustrated and write yours below. My example. I felt frustrated when my internet stopped during the class. You made it to the end, and that's already a big achievement. Let's review what you learned today. Why vocabulary matters more than you think. 6 powerful methods to learn it effectively. How to practice and apply new words in real life. Every new word you learn is a tool, and every time you practice, you sharpen that tool. Fluency is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe and turn on the bell for more weekly lessons. See you in the next video.